Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where today we're talking about something that's changing the way we think about floor care. The iRobot Braava Jet M6, a smart, efficient, and incredibly versatile robot mop that's designed to take on all the messes you don't want to. With advanced features like precision jet spray, patented iAdapt 3.0 navigation with vSLAM technology, and washable wet mopping pads, this robot mop promises a whole new level of cleanliness for your floors. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a floor cleaning powerhouse that combines intelligent navigation with powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with iAdapt 3.0 navigation, it uses vSLAM technology to map and navigate your home with precision, ensuring it doesn't miss a single spot. Whether you have hardwood floors, tile, or even some carpets, this robot is designed to tackle them all with ease. Its precision jet spray helps break down sticky messes and grime, while the washable wet mopping pads tackle kitchen grease like no other. And speaking of the pads, the 2-pack of Braava Jet M series washable wet mopping pads is a welcome inclusion, ensuring you won't have to worry about replacements too soon. The wicking fibers in these pads help lift dirt and grime, making cleanup effortless. In terms of performance, this robot mop is a game changer. On hard floors, the Braava Jet M6 does a fantastic job of picking up dust, dirt, and sticky spills. It's particularly effective at cleaning around and under furniture, making sure those hard-to-reach areas aren't overlooked. The precision jet spray is key here. It's great for spot cleaning sticky messes, and when you've got something stubborn like kitchen grease or dried-on food, this mop doesn't back down. Its performance on tile and other smooth surfaces is exceptional, but don't expect it to perform miracles on deep carpet. It's designed primarily for hard floor cleaning, though it does a decent job on low-pile rugs. The real beauty of the Braava Jet M6, though, is its advanced navigation. Thanks to vSLAM technology, it can map out your home, avoiding obstacles and efficiently cleaning every inch. It doesn't randomly wander around. There's a real sense of purpose to its movements, which helps it cover the area more quickly. Setting up the Braava Jet M6 is also a breeze. It pairs seamlessly with the iRobot Home app, where you can customize cleaning schedules and monitor its progress in real time. It's incredibly user-friendly, and once it's up and running, you can set it and forget it. As for usability, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is impressively quiet while operating, which is a significant bonus if you're looking for something that won't disturb your day-to-day activities. It also has a relatively compact design, which means it can easily get into tight corners and clean along edges where traditional mops can't reach. The mop is relatively lightweight, but it's sturdy enough to feel like it's built to last. Maintenance is simple too. The washable wet mopping pads are easy to clean and reuse, saving you money on disposable pads over time. However, there are a few things to consider before making this your go-to cleaning companion. First, while it does a great job on hard floors and low-pile rugs, it's not the best option for thick carpets. The mopping function is designed for smooth surfaces, and it may not have enough power to truly tackle deep carpet dirt. Also, while it's effective in smaller rooms or areas, larger spaces might require multiple cleaning sessions, as it can take a while to mop an entire floor. The battery life is sufficient for a single cleaning session, but if you've got a larger home, you may find yourself having to recharge before the job is done. Now let's talk value for money. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 comes in at a higher price point than some other robot mops, but you're definitely paying for advanced features and solid performance. The precision cleaning and smart navigation set it apart from lower-end models, which may not offer the same level of cleaning efficiency or ease of use. In comparison to other robot mops like the Bissell Spinwave or the Ecovacs Dbot Osmo, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 holds its ground with superior navigation and stronger spot cleaning capabilities. However, if you don't need all the bells and whistles, there are cheaper alternatives that may offer decent cleaning, though they may lack the precision and efficiency of this model. Looking at long-term durability, the Braava Jet M6 seems to be well built. The construction feels solid, and the mop pads, which are washable and reusable, should last a long time with proper care. The brand's reputation for quality is also a reassuring factor. iRobot products tend to stand the test of time, especially when it comes to their robotic vacuums and mops. In terms of upkeep, you'll want to clean the pads regularly and keep the spray nozzle free of blockages, but there aren't many other maintenance issues to be aware of. Customer support is another strength of iRobot. Their customer service team is generally well regarded, and their warranty policies are straightforward. If anything goes wrong with your Braava Jet M6, you can expect prompt assistance, and their extensive support materials should help with any troubleshooting. If you're considering alternatives, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 stands out when compared to budget-friendly robot mops. For instance, the Bissell Spinwave offers similar features at a slightly lower price, but lacks the advanced mapping technology and overall cleaning efficiency that the Braava Jet M6 provides. Similarly, Ecovacs models like the Dbot Osmo are strong competitors, but they also come with their own set of compromises when it comes to precision and user-friendly features. In conclusion, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to automate their floor cleaning. It's best suited for homes with hard floors, especially those that need a reliable solution for sticky messes and grime. Its powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and user-friendly design make it a top pick for most households. However, if you have thick carpet or a large home that requires a lot of cleaning, you might need to look at something with more suction power or a larger capacity. For those who value convenience, advanced features, and an efficient clean though, the Braava Jet M6 is definitely worth considering. If you're ready to say goodbye to manual mopping and embrace the future of floor cleaning, check out the product link in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. May your floors always shine, and your robot mop never get stuck.